Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today we'll help you out by showing you how the repeater works in Minecraft. So Redstone as a whole can be a little bit complicated, especially for newer players. However, the repeater is very useful and is quite easy to understand. So all you need pretty much is redstone dust to connect it with the device you want to power. And the thing with redstone dust is that for every block you place, it gives pretty much one power. So if I turn this lever on, yeah, as you can see, the way this works is that the lever powers the redstone dust, but every block with a redstone dust, it loses the power. So as you can see, it gets less and less bright until finally over here it doesn't even power the piston anymore. If we place it like this, see, it's not going to power the piston because the redstone dust gives a maximum power input of 15 and then it loses 1 power every single block. You can see that it becomes less bright. However, what the repeater does, if we place it in the middle right here, we're going to cut off the stream, then the piston will power. So what the repeater does, it resets the value of the redstone dust to 15. You can still see that it gets less bright over here, but it still powers the piston because it's less than 15 blocks away. If we put a delay in it as well, you can see what happens. So now I turned it off, but if I switch this lever right here, the piston should turn on immediately. That's pretty much as instant as it's gonna get. If we press right click on it a few times, as you can see what's gonna happen, there's a little bit of a hidden delay in when it activates, so that is very useful for things like hidden doors as well. That is pretty much how the repeater works. It's a very useful item to have and a very straightforward one. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.